Original.
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope that you guys had an amazing day or that you're having an amazing day. I'm not sure when this video is going to be posted, but let me know what you guys are doing. Last year, my husband actually cooked for Thanksgiving.
Put the work in. Hey, put the work in. Put the work in. Yeah. Told baby girl, hey girl, she gotta do it with a purpose. And Madonna by the every man, I heard that she a virgin. Sheesh.
Let's go, Gerard. Let's go. Ow. We about to be hosting Thanksgiving every year. Next year, I got next. 1 year at a time.
And this year I'm on cooking duty, which is going to be interesting because I've never made a meal this large. If you aren't following me on Instagram, then be sure to do so. I'm sure I have some stories or posts about whatever we did for Thanksgiving. So be sure to follow me there so that you all can see all the updates on all of that. But let me know how that's going. And also, what are you guys planning to do for Black Friday? We already have plans, which I'm not going to share right now, but we'll be sharing very soon. But yeah, let's get into this video. So today we're going to be doing a Kinky Straight install, and it is a headband wig video. Last time I did a Kinky Straight, I believe I did an actual half wig, but this one is a true headband wig, and y'all, it's so affordable. You're going to love me after seeing this unit. So this unit is from Omgherhair. So let me show you all what it looks like. So look at this, y'all. Their headbands come in these cute little baggies that say, "Hello, girl. Lovely day." That's so cute. So they have one that's this color as well as this like burgundy maroon color. And these also look like they're really thick, which I'm gonna like. Oh yeah. And they have the little knot design in the front. Oh my goodness. I love this one. Look at that headband. Okay, OMG. That was so cute. Look at that. Okay, wait till I put the unit on. Why do I get so excited with these headbands? Y'all, I love them. And I did find a way to store my headbands. Let me show you guys that really quick. So this is what I use to store all of my headbands. And I got this little cube organizer from Amazon. And inside, my headbands are nicely packaged and organized. So I have more to add to my collection. And y'all, look at this gorgeous one. This one will be great for the holidays. I'll try to link this in the description box. Hopefully I'll remember. But let's see what this unit looks like. And I did get her in length 18 and in 150% density. Ooh. Look at that. Do y'all see that texture? It looks amazing. They got it right. So, so good. And this hair is soft, and I love how thick it is. I believe they have 130% density as an option, as well as 150. But I went for 150 because you guys know I like volume. So I'm always going to choose the highest density. But yeah, this one looks really good. And I really like this texture a lot because for many of you guys, you know that I'm natural and I am type 4. And when I blow my hair out, sometimes even when I straighten my hair, it looks like this. So being able to get a heat-free style without actually having to apply heat to my hair is so awesome. So this is what the headband looks like in the front. Of course, you guys already know what that looks like. It's a nice standard headband. And then in the back, you do have this Velcro feature. And this one does come with combs on the inside. Now, the ones that I've been showing you all in my recent videos, they've all just had combs at the top and at the bottom. But this one also has combs on the side. So I really like that. So you have that added security. Now this install is so simple and easy. It's just as easy as putting it on, maybe inserting the combs, attaching the Velcro, and you can be out of the house. Now the only thing that you really need to do is actually press out these crimps that you see, but that's pretty much it. And then I'm gonna show you guys some styles. looks so natural. Now this is actually where length 18 falls on me. It's a really natural and realistic length. Now I'm just gonna straighten her out a bit. Now again, you don't actually have to straighten your own natural hair, but we can put as much heat as we want to on this hair because it is human hair. So let's do that now. And then I wanna show you guys as many styles as I can possibly think of with this gorgeous hair. Oh, you know what I'm gonna try? I actually remembered with this particular texture, you can actually decide to straighten it with heat, or you can just spray water. And generally the water will cause the hair to straighten on its own. So let's try that. Now y'all see these little crimps in the hair? That's what we're trying to get rid of. So let's try spraying water.
Hey, we putting on a show, trying to catch a vibe. We do this every time, like na 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 na. Feeling like I'm on the high.
Now again, you can use heat if you want to, but if you're someone who's just being lazy and you don't want to do that, or maybe you don't have time to do that, you can just quickly spray water and you can save yourself some extra time.
Cause everything been going my way. And now they looking at me sideways. I'm like, na 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 na. This is where I wanna be, na na na. Never ever gonna leave, na na na. You ain't gonna get it from me. I'm like, na 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 na. This is where I wanna stay, na na na. I could do this every day, na na na. It don't matter what they say.
All right, now let's try on some headbands. Since we've already done that part, before we get into the styling portion of the video, I'm gonna try on the headbands that they sent and then the one that I actually want to use for this video. So let's do that now.
Say, I'm like, na 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 na. Say, hey, I've been
This yellow though, I like that.
on the wave. It's a party, make a toast. It's a party every day. So anywhere you go, all across the coast, we do it every time. Like na 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 na. I got nothing but the highlights. Can't believe that this is my life. I'm only living on the bright side. I'm like na 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 na. This is where I wanna be. Na na na. Never ever gonna leave. Na na na. You ain't gonna get it from me. I'm like na 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 na.
All right, y'all, now that I've shown you all the headbands that were sent in the package, let me know which one was your favorite. I think this is actually one of the first times that I've actually liked all the headbands that were sent in a headband wig package, which is rare, but yeah. I think I'm gonna use this one for the styling portion. I like the way the cheetah print looks. So let's put this one on and I'm gonna show you guys some styles you can do with this hair.
We know what we want, slide, and we can't get enough. We just living it up, we just living it up, we just living it up. Live it up, yeah, yeah, live it up, live it up, yeah, yeah, live it up. Like na 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 na. I show you how to do it right now. Living life loud, never pipe down. Sky high, like way up. Got the roof raised up with the vibe on us, yeah. Best feeling in the world, spread the word around it. So much you could worry about, but I ain't worried about it. I'm just living my best life, there's no stress life. Let me show you what the rest like. We know what we want, slide, and we can't get enough. We just living it up, we just living it up, we just living it up. Live it up, yeah, yeah, live it up. Live it up, yeah, yeah, live it up. Like na 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 na. You just gotta take life by the horns. I could take you for a tour. Everybody all aboard, yeah. It's on site, on shore, all night to the morn. Now they cheering on core, ayy. Follow us, it's the best route, yeah. Carefree, never stressed out, yeah. We just living our best life. I'm feeling blessed, like. Let me show you what the rest like. We know what we want, slide, and we can't get enough. We just living it up, we just why so many tears. You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you, I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there, 'cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something, yes, I know.
Alright y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed the simple and easy styles that I showed you guys today. Be sure to check out my Headband Wig playlist so that you can see more styles. I have so many different styles that I've showed with all these different headband wig units. Be sure to check them out. Also check the description. I'll have all the links and specifications for this gorgeous affordable headband wig. Omgherhair is also having a Black Friday sale. It actually ends on the 30th, so be sure to check that out so that you can get an even bigger discount on this hair. I love you guys. Be sure to leave your comments down below. Let me know which hairstyle was your favorite, what headband you like, and all that jazz. Be sure to also like this video and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.